coffee. You saw it. That's instant coffee. I'm really the only one in this house that drinks coffee. Trying to find a spot for a coffee maker. Like, we originally had like a drip coffee maker and I used it all the time and it was okay. It just took up too much space. And then I found like a basket thing. That just took too long. It took too much like hands-on activity to do it. It was basically a portable pour over. And then I found the Cafe Bustelo in the like Spanish section of Walmart and absolutely fell in love with it. So if you're looking for something cheap and easy, maybe just like a backup coffee to have around when you don't have power to run your coffee maker or whatever, check out the Cafe Bustelo. Sometimes you can get it in the little single packs. I think it's good.
Good morning, crazies. Why is it so messy in here?
Because Ben found all of his toys just to sit in his box.
To sit in? You were sitting in your box?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I like toys.
You like toys?
Yeah.
Okay. While Brian's cooking the bacon, I'm going to take Vector out and walk around. You ready to go, bud? Let's go. So on days that Brian doesn't cook, he doesn't cook breakfast every morning. We usually do. The kids will do like frozen pancakes from Walmart because they love them and then we don't have to get anything dirty. And Terra will usually do cereal or oatmeal and she can make all that stuff on her own. Alrighty, we're back. There's lots of big trucks driving around right now. People are moving spots. We'll go ahead and see how that bacon's coming along. How's that bacon coming?
The first batch always takes longer.
Oh, yeah.
Because there's no grease in there already.
Eggs.
You're gonna have some eggs and bacon and biscuits with Daddy and I?
No, you don't have biscuits.
You guys didn't want breakfast? You wanted cereal? Okay.
Mom, it's a pancakes.
Pancakes?
Yeah.
You don't want bacon and eggs?
No.
No. You want pancakes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mama, little tiny pancakes.
You want little tiny pancakes?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll make you some little tiny pancakes.
Alright, so Ben wants pancakes?
Ben wants pancakes. So, I was telling them that sometimes that's what they want. And so we just get these from Walmart and it's a big old bag of frozen pancakes and they're the silver dollar ones, so they're nice for Ben's little hands. That's what he meant when he said he wants little tiny ones. And we just do them in the microwave. Pancakes. Pancakes.
There you go. Start with that one. Start with that one. Alright, bacon's about halfway done, so we're going to start throwing the biscuits in the oven. If you all want some really good biscuits, yes, they're Walmart biscuits. Yes, they are frozen, but boy, they are good. And the best part is, it's a bag of 20, and it's about $4, I think. So, hard to beat. Biscuits are just about done. I forgot to mention, we have a convection microwave oven. So, I boiled water in here earlier for my coffee, and now I'm baking biscuits in it. That's awesome. And when we first got this rig, we didn't even really know what a convection microwave oven was. We thought it was some weird mystical thing. And it is. It's awesome. Look at those.
It looks so good.
So like I said, these are Walmart biscuits, but they are so good. So we're going to let those sit for a minute, and I'm going to evacuate the rest of this bacon, and then we'll get started on the eggs. This is my eggs in 30 seconds. I've got 4 eggs. I've got a slice of American cheese. I've got Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning. I've got some frozen onions. and a little bit of half and half to add some leavening to this. I've got butter going in my pan already. I've already got one of these. It's like an ice cube tray of onions. One of these is already thawing in here. And I'm just gonna whip together all of the eggs in half and half. Gonna rip up the cheese and throw it in, put Slappy Mama on it, cook it. Awesome. Alright, for my eggs, as soon as they kind of stop glistening and have really come together is when I pull them off, because they'll keep cooking for a couple of seconds on the plate. A couple pieces of bacon and a biscuit. There we go.
This is where Brian and I eat typically. It's only on very rare occasions that we get to sit in the dinette. One, it's not very comfortable for us to sit in the dinette.
No.
And usually the kids take up all of the space, but Tara's doing her schoolwork right now, so we'll sit here like we normally do. Tara's getting ready to start her schoolwork for today. I have a kind of curriculum for her that I created using the books and kind of a pacing for how she needs to get things done. And so I then transfer that into her like daily book that gives her what she needs to do and a little bit more information than what this does. She usually has about 5 to 6 subjects. We're kind of finishing a couple of subjects and starting new subjects. So right now, today she has 5 subjects that she needs to do. So we'll get started on that. It just kind of depends on what the assignment is for the day, how long it takes her. Sometimes she can do everything in an hour and a half, and sometimes it takes 4 hours. It just depends on what the actual assignment is for the day. This is a typical place for the littles to be. They're in our room while Tara's doing her schoolwork. Ben's not even dressed yet. And they just are in here watching TV for a little bit today.
Okay, breakfast was delicious. It's time to do a little bit of cleaning up, and Erin and Brooke went to run some errands, get some stuff at Walmart, got a restock after we defrosted our fridge over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to work, and Tara's working on our homeschool, and Ben's just hanging out. Let's do it. Okay, I got a little bit of work done, and then Tara's assignment, she needed my computer to type it, so I no longer have my computer to do any work, so I'm going to come outside and hang out with Ben till Erin gets home with groceries. We got some new chairs at Sam's to replace the large, like, zero-gravity chairs. They're a lot smaller to store, because the other ones are huge. So I'm going to pull those out and see what they're like. It takes some getting used to, but Erin's home. How'd it go?
It was great.
All
Walmart
right.
wasn't too busy.
No?
It was alright.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tara's done with her. She's on her last assignment. Yep. All right, unload.
Unload.
Okay, groceries are in and away. What are we doing?
The kids want to play outside, and we usually don't play outside in the middle of the day. So we're going to set up the sunshade. Just
Yeah, the way we're sitting on the site, we have good shade on the slide because we have the awning out and staked down, but there's no shade up here where they want to play. So maybe I told Brooke that it'd be a little like red igloo. So
a red igloo.
yeah, so let's go ahead and put this thing together.
Ooh.
Okay, that took a little longer than I thought. But we actually, last time we used this was at White Sands. So when we pulled this out of the package, there was a bunch of that like super fine powdery white gypsum. So now they have a nice shady area to play out here in the yard. Hopefully we can stake it down and it won't blow away.
Not too bad.
Yeah?
You can give them some shade and they can play outside and not have to worry about keep putting up sunscreen on them.
Yeah.
So
So this is TTO.
we have a really nice spot.
First time we were in that spot there. Second time we were in that spot there. And now we're here. So we've always been kind of in this area.
Yeah.
But we like this site because look at this. I mean, we've got the van and the truck and the rig
And some
all
space
on
behind.
asphalt with space behind and beside. We got plenty of room. Alrighty, what's next on the docket? Lunch?
Probably lunch for the kids. Are you hungry?
Eh, I could eat.
Okay.
Olaf.
Is that Olaf?
Yeah.
Do you love Olaf?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does he like warm hugs?
Yeah. I give him a warm hug.
You did.
Do you love pickles, Brooke?
Mhm.
Do you love ketchup?
Mhm.
Do you like ketchup on pickles?
Mhm.
So we thought we'd go for a bike ride and see what spots are opening up tomorrow. All of our bike tires needed air. What are you using there, honey?
This is overkill for bike tires. Using my Viair, I think it's like 400p RV or something, whatever the number is. It's linked down below. This will fill up my trailer tires to, what do I do, 80?
Yep.
80 psi in about a minute, if even that. So for Brooke's bike tire to get to 35 psi, it was one and it was full. So this is way overkill for bike tires, but it's a lot easier than the like cigarette lighter plug one that takes forever. So.
What are you doing, Ben? Well, I'll fix it for you. Your bikes do get pretty weathered.
Yeah.
Mine is like,
of the truck, so.
yeah, they ride outside. We don't have a basement or anything to put them in, or a garage. So you see all the rust on mine. We could probably do something about that.
Not really worth it.
We had a nice bike ride.
Mommy,
What?
I'm watching the pet see.
Yeah?
She was just giving you a status update.
We rode around the campground and went down to the lake and went and saw one of the loops that is more wooded. It kind of feels more like a campground, like a state park or something. Kind of pretty back there. It looks like old Florida with all the Spanish moss hanging and everything. But it was a good ride. We need to get Ben a new helmet.
Yeah.
And we gotta do some things to Terra's bike. What are you making for dinner?
Stuff out of the freezer.
Ooh, we're gonna
freezer's
clear
too
out
full.
some of the freezer because we
Too
got
much stuff.
we got more stuff today and it was not enough room. So we're having what, like appetizers,
Probably.
chores d'oeuvres,
Yes. Yeah.
for dinner.
Yeah.
That'll be good.
Alright, my time-lapse battery died right as the egg rolls were finishing up, so gonna put that right there for a minute so I can grab those. So we've got egg rolls, pork egg rolls, chicken tikka samosas, and a chicken teriyaki lo mein, all from Trader Joe's. So kind of an appetizer-ish dinner, but we needed to free up some room in our freezer. Alright, I don't know how Erin's gonna eat though.
I don't know either.
Ben fell asleep on her.
He was so tired. I just had him come sit in my lap and he just fell asleep.
It's an interesting dinner.
Yes.
The egg rolls, not so great.
Tara liked them.
Yeah, Terra liked the egg rolls. The lo mein was okay.
It's a little sweet.
Yeah, and what were the other things? The samosas, those are good.
Those
had
were good.
Yeah,
With
we
the
grab
mango
those.
chutney.
Yeah, we grab those samosas every time we go to Trader Joe's. We like those. They're easy. They're small. We just throw them in the oven, whatever. So those are good. So we finished dinner, caught up on some YouTube videos. You know, the couple people we subscribed to, and we're back on the laptops doing some work and letting the kids wind down for the evening. It's gonna be bedtime here before too long. So that's when we begin the arduous task of getting everyone in their PJs, teeth brushed,
I'll do this and I don't do
all of
it.
that fun stuff.
Yeah. The girls are really good at going to bed once they know that they have to go to bed.
Yeah.
Ben, on the other hand, since he's now in a toddler bed, not so easy to get to go to bed.
Yeah. Yeah, at least the crib before he could climb out of it. You
Yeah.
put him in there and he'd stay.
Yeah.
He had no choice. But now, yeah,
Nice big boy.
Yep. So hopefully you enjoyed this look at a day in our
Yep.
lives. Not today wasn't a super exciting day. I mean, we didn't even
No.
go anywhere.
I went to Walmart.
Yeah, but that's kind of normal. You know,
It's not a vacation.
not a vacation. Not every day is out and about and seeing cool, new, interesting, amazing things. Yeah.
We gotta get some stuff done.
We got groceries. We got chores. Got some repairs to do this week. There's some modifications we want to do. Just a couple things. Yeah. So it's kind of like being in a house. It's just a lot smaller, and we can move it around.
Yep. It's true.
Yeah. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and check us out on Patreon at patreon.com/5to-go. We're doing patron-only videos and a bunch of other fun stuff over there. So if you enjoy our content, check it out over there, and there's even more.
Woohoo!
All right, we'll see you guys on the next episode.
Bye.